Today I am gonna tell you some 5 interesting facts which you have never come across of it. Apple seed, poisonous. Banana, radioactive. Coffee, death. Light, no shadow. Well, to know all these things, let's get into the video. Welcome to Focomate. Number 5. India is the first country to produce shampoo in whole entire world. Number 4. Banana as radioactive. Yes, because banana contain potassium that decays slightly and make them into the radioactive. So if you eat one banana, that's not gonna affect you, but at once you need to have 10 lakh of banana, then probably you will die. So don't do that. Number 3, chocolate can kill your dog. Chocolate contain theobromine content, which dog can't able to metabolize it. So if they have chocolate, please take them to the veterinary and please look after them. Number 2, apple seeds are poisonous. Yes, that sounds something interesting to you, right? Apple seeds contain amygdalin, which after you eat or chewed that seed, it will convert into the cyanide, which make you to die soon if you contain that seeds much more amount. And number 1, light casts no shadow. The picture which I am showing to you, why the flame has no shadow. The main reason why the flame has no shadow is because flame itself is the source of a light. If the light behind the source of the light flame have more brighter, then the flame itself will show a shadow. So here the light hot air is no that much of brighter light. So light have no shadow. To know such more interesting facts, stay tuned. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.